Now kindly take your seats. It is our honor to welcome our respected chief guest, Professor Ganesh Pandey. May I now request our HOD, Professor G. Shegar, to welcome our chief guest with a bouquet. I now request our HOD, Professor G. Shegar, to address the gathering.
Vanakkam, Namaskar, very good afternoon to all. Our respected chief guest, Professor Ganesh Pandey, faculty colleagues, distinguished alumni, guests from Common Pharma, PhD scholars, MSc students, staff, parents, ladies and gentlemen, I'm extremely happy to welcome you all to the Chemistry Department's degree distribution program of the 63rd Convocation of IIT Madras. Presently, our department is one of the best chemistry departments in the country, with 34 faculty members and 27 technical and administrative staff. In the last 1.5 years, 7 new faculty members joined our department, which makes our department very young and dynamic. Our department also has 4 emeritus professors and 7 distinguished and adjunct professors. It is worth mentioning that Professor Richard Zare, Paul Weiss, Manfred Kappes, and Professor R.A. Mashalkar, who are globally renowned for their research contribution in chemistry and chemical engineering, have joined the institute as distinguished professors and are affiliated with our department. So far, our department has offered 2 flagship academic programs, a 2-year MSc program and a 5-year PhD program. Students joining the MSc program can also register directly for a PhD after 3 semesters if they meet the institute norm, that is a CGPA 8 for the dual degree program. I'm happy to inform you that for the first time, our department has started a new undergraduate program, BS Chemistry, starting from July 2025, with 28 students who have successfully completed their first year. This year, the strength of BS Chemistry will be increased to 50. The department is home to 28 BS students, 133 MSc students, and 235 PhD students, more than 10 postdoctoral scholars, and more than 65 project staff. The generous funding from our alumni has consistently supported various endowment lectures, symposia, and the creation of chair professorships. Professor T. Pradeep is an institute professor, and myself and Professor T. Pradeep are the institute chair professor of our department. Professor Kodandraman holds the Annamalai and Shanti Rajendran Early Career Chair, and Dr. Chaitanya Sharma is the Emphasis Faculty Fellow of IIT Madras. In recent time, Professor Pradeep has secured funding to establish the National Facility for Cryo-EM Microscopy at IIT Madras at the cost of 50 crore rupees. 3 new centers and 1 center of excellence were also established under the Institute of Eminence funding of nearly 30 crore rupees, involving several faculty members from our department, namely the Center of Excellence on Water Molecular Materials and Function, led by Professor Pradeep, the Advanced Energy Storage and Conversion Center, which is part of the Energy Consortium of IIT Madras, led by Professor Kodandraman, the Center for Molecular Architecture, led by Professor Dilip Kumar Chand, and the Center for Chiral Technology, led by Professor Shekhar. Recently, our institute generously funded around 55 crore rupees to our department for the procurement of several new high-end instruments and the upgradation of existing instrumentation facility to further boost our effort in cutting-edge research. To improve the infrastructure of our UG and PG laboratories and to establish a new BS Chemistry lab, our institute has provided additional support of 3.5 crore rupees. Yesterday, 4 new instrumentation facilities, XPS, VCD, LCMS, and AFM were commissioned by our Chairman Board of Governors, Dr. Pawan Kumar Goenka. Currently, EPR is being installed. We thank DST FIST and IIT Madras for the generous support. Several of our colleagues have won the following national and international recognitions for their research outcome. Professor Pradeep was awarded the gold medal by the Society of Materials Chemistry, the Rashtriya Vignan Purushkar, Vignan Sri Award by Government of India, Vignan Ratna Award by Punjab University. He also received International Award for Excellence in Research, the Lifetime Achievement Award from the Indian Chemical Society, and the Goyal Prize from Kurukshetra University. In addition, he was awarded the Royal Society Wolfson Visiting Fellowship. He was appointed as adjunct faculty at Manipal Academy of Higher Education, honorary professor at JNCSR Bengaluru, and Harvard Distinguished Visiting Professor at Purdue University. Professor Shekhar received the Professor D.P. Chakrabarti 60th Birthday Anniversary Commemoration Award from the Indian Chemical Society. Professor Debashish Chakrabarti received the Education Excellence Award from the Economic Times. Professor Rajkumar Bella was invited by the Nobel Foundation to deliver a lecture at the Nobel Symposium at Stockholm, Sweden. Professor Ramesh Gardas was awarded MRSI Silver Medal and Wales National Science Tech Award. He also received the AACS Masila Vijaya Award for Excellence in Scientific Research Publication from the Academy of Sciences, Chennai, and the CRS Silver Star Award. He was elected as a Fellow of International Association for Carbon Capture, UK. In addition, he received the late Professor Satish Moncha Endowment Lecture Award from the Gujarat Science Academy and delivered Dr. K. Swaminathan Endowment Lecture at the Loyola Institute of Frontiers Energy. Professor Anbarasan received the Professor S. Swaminathan Endowment Award from the University of Madras. Professor Kodandraman was awarded the CRS Silver Medal. He also received the Mercom India Award and the Trendsetter Grant Award from the Energy Consortium, IIT Madras. Professor Biraya Baire received CRSI Bronze Medal from CRSI, and Dr. Sanjeev Ponda received the Merck Young Scientist Award India from Merck India. Dr. Dilip Kumar Chen and Professor Shekhar are the core committee member of the Technical Program Committee for Chemical Sciences of ANRF's Advanced Research Grant. Professor Anbarasan is the core committee member of NPDF ANRF. Also, I am happy to inform you that our faculty members are serving our institute in various capacities. Professor Sanjay Kumar is the Senate nominee to our Board of Governors. Professor Dilip Kumar Chand is the sectional observer. Professor Rajkumar is the advisor to the Library Advisory Committee. Professor Ramesh Gardas is the vice chairman of JEE. Professor Venkatakrishnan is the vice chairman of GATE. And Professor Biraya is the advisor of SATI. Our department wishes that soon several of our faculty members will take a national level leadership role. In 2025, our department published 315 papers, averaging 8 per faculty. This includes 1 JAX, 9 Angewandte Chemie in international edition, 2 ACS catalysis, 7 small papers, 6 chemical sciences. In 2026, up to July 15, our department has published 175 papers, including 1 science by Professor Sundargopal Ghosh and 12 JAX papers. I am happy to inform you that our department has published 2 science papers in 2 years, which is the evidence of the high quality research outcome of our department. Last year, in our department, 32 national and international patents were submitted for approval and 20 patents were granted. Also, 1 technology transfer was also made from our department. In the financial year 2025-26, our faculty members secured 32 sponsored research projects worth nearly 14 crore rupees and 44 industrial consultancy projects worth 12 crore rupees with an overall external funding of around 26 crore rupees. The department maintains its high tradition of excellence in teaching. Professor Anbarasan has received the Best Teacher Award for Excellence in Teaching from IIT Madras. As per our director's vision, IITM for all, that is Anevarkum IIT Madras, we have widely opened our department to external students during the Institute Open House. Around 7,000 students visited our department. Also, I am very happy to inform you that our department received 2 awards for the Institute Open House. The first one is the second prize in Chemistry Department Open House at the parent location, and the second one is Best Social Outreach and Impact Category Award for the Department of Chemistry stall. Also, in the last 1 year, 550 students from various 10 colleges and schools visited our department. During the last academic year, 61 renowned experts, including 25 Indian speakers and 36 from abroad, visited our department and delivered guest lectures. In the last year, our department hosted more than 24 international and national conferences and workshops, bringing many national and international scientists and students to our department. Our students have maintained high research standards and received several Best Oral and Poster Awards at national and international conferences. Many of them have won the prestigious Prime Minister's Research Fellowships. During the last academic year, more than 40 PhD students won prizes such as Best Oral and Poster Presentation. Our chemistry department ranks second in the Nature Index ranking and third in QS World ranking. Our faculty and students are working hard to place chemistry department at the top. I am very sure that we will achieve the ambitious target in the near future. Today, in this convocation, 46 PhD students and 62 MSc students are receiving their respective degrees. Dear graduates, our department wishes you all the very best for a productive, prosperous future and a rewarding career. I believe your education at IIT Madras will guide you in all your endeavors, and it will be a stepping stone for your great future. Thank you. Thank you very much. Jai Hind. Nandri.
Thank you very much, sir, for your inspiring words. May I now invite Professor P. Anbarasan to introduce our esteemed chief guest.
A very good afternoon to one and all present in this esteemed chemistry department degree distribution program at D3P. It gives me an immense pleasure to introduce Professor Ganesh Pandey, a distinguished professor and then a renowned organic chemist from Department of Chemistry, Banaras Hindu University, Varanasi, to the gathering. Professor Ganesh Pandey studied chemistry at Banaras Hindu University, Varanasi. After completing his PhD in 1980 from BHU, he pursued postdoctoral research at Purdue University, USA, under Professor Harry A. Morrison, where he studied photobiology of urochronic acid as skin pigment. Upon returning to India in mid-1983, he joined Punjab University as a CSIR pool officer, and within 6 months, he moved to an Indian Institute of Chemical Technology, IICT, Hyderabad, as a scientist, and continued there till July 1991. He subsequently moved to National Chemical Laboratory, NCL Pune, in 1991, and spent over 2 decades. He then moved to Center for Biomedical Research, CBMR, Lucknow, to serve as a director. After concluding his directorship in January 2019, Professor Pandey returned to BHU, where he currently serves as a distinguished professor, which is for lifetime. In 1980s, Professor Pandey has pioneered the photo-induced electron transfer reactions, where he widened the understanding of this process, and today many young researchers are pursuing them as a photoredox catalysis. He is also involved in the art of target-oriented synthesis of natural products and bioactive molecules through a development of novel carbon-carbon bond forming reactions. In addition, he has also made a phenomenal contribution in the area of new synthetic methodologies as well as an asymmetric synthesis. To his credit, he has published more than 140 papers in internationally renowned journals and filed a number of patents. He has guided and mentored more than 70 PhD students and around 25 postdoctoral researchers and a large number of project associated assistants. Today, most of his students are the leaders in both academia and industry. Professor Pandey's outstanding contribution in organic synthesis bestowed him with a number of awards, fellowship, and recognition. To highlight a few, he is a recipient of most prestigious prizes in India, such as Shanti Shura Bhatnagar Prize in 1999, J.C. Bose Fellowship, P.C. Ray Memorial Award, and Koel Science Prize. He is an elected fellow of an Indian Academy of Science, Bangalore, and the National Academy of Science, India in 1995, and the Indian National Science Academy in 1999. In addition to his scientific contribution, he has made an immense contribution in the growth of organic chemistry in this country. He has served as a convener and the vice chair of the National Organic Symposium Trust, called NAST, and currently the chair of the same trust, which promotes an organic chemistry at large. He has also served as a regional editor for Tetrahedron from 2007 to 2020, and currently he is an executive editorial board member of an Asian Journal of Organic Chemistry. With this brief introduction, let me congratulate all the graduates, and I request Professor Pandey to address the graduates.
Thank you, Professor Emerson. Professor G. Sekhar, Head of Department, Professor Pradeep, Distinguished Professor, and many distinguished faculty members present here, proud parents, invited guests, and my dear graduating students. It's a great privilege and matter of honor to me to be here today at the Indian Institute of Technology, Madras. I bring warm greetings from Banaras Hindu University, an institution that has nurtured generations of scholars and scientists. I sincerely thank Department of Chemistry, especially Professor G. Sekhar, for inviting me to share this memorable occasion with you. Convocation is one of the most significant milestones in academic life. It is not merely a ceremony where degrees are awarded. It is a celebration of perseverance, discipline, curiosity, and pursuit of knowledge. Today, each one of you has earned a place in distinguished community of scholars, and I congratulate every MSc and PhD graduates on this remarkable achievement. At the same time, I extend my heartfelt appreciation to your parents, families, teachers, and friends, and their encouragement and sacrifices that have played an important role in your success. Having spent several decades as a teacher and researcher, I have learned that science is not simply about discovering new molecules or publishing number of research papers. Science is a way of thinking. It teaches us to question, to observe carefully, to accept uncertainty, and above all, to remain honest with ourselves and with the evidence. Research is an exciting journey, but it is rarely a smooth one. All of us know that feeling of an experiment that refuses to work, a reaction that gives an unexpected product, or a manuscript that returns with critical comments. These moments can be disappointing, but they are also valuable teachers. In my own experience, I have found that patience is perhaps the most important quality of a researcher. Good science demands time. Nature does not reveal her secrets in a hurry. Every unsuccessful experiment adds to your understanding and prepares us for next breakthrough. Therefore, never be afraid of failures. The only real failure is to stop asking questions. Chemistry has always been called the central science because it connects almost every branch of knowledge. Today, chemistry is helping us to develop cleaner source of energy, better medicine, sustainable materials, advanced electronics, and environmentally friendly technology. The challenge before humanity, climate change, pollution, healthcare, and energy security cannot be solved without chemistry. And science cannot progress without young mind like yours. We are also living in an era where artificial intelligence, machine learning, and advanced computational methods are transforming research. These technology will undoubtedly accelerate scientific discovery. They can never replace curiosity, imagination, critical thinking, and ethical judgment. Technology can assist scientists, but it cannot replace scientists. To the PhD students, PhD graduates, today marks your transition from being students to becoming independent scholars. Your doctoral degree represents much more than expertise in a specialized field. It demonstrates your ability to solve problems, to think independently, and to create knowledge that did not exist before. These abilities will remain your greatest strength throughout your career. To the MSc students, graduates, and not students more, to MSc graduates, I encourage you to continue learning. Whether you choose higher study, industry, teaching, or entrepreneurship, remember that education does not end with the degree. The most successful people are those who remain students throughout their lives. I would also like to emphasize the importance of scientific integrity. In today's competitive world, there is often a pressure to publish quickly and to produce impressive results. However, no publication, awards, or recognition is more valuable than your credibility. Scientific honesty is your greatest asset. Protect it throughout your professional life. As graduates of IIT Madras, you carry the reputation of one of India's finest institutions. Wherever your journey takes you, whether in academia, industry, government laboratories, entrepreneurship, you will represent not only yourself but also the values that this institution has instilled in you. I also hope that many of you will contribute to strengthening scientific research in India. Our country has extraordinary talent and immense opportunities. The future of Indian science depends on young researchers who combine excellence with integrity and innovation with social responsibility. Before I conclude, let me leave you with three simple thoughts. Be curious because curiosity leads to discovery. Be patient because meaningful achievements can take time. Be honest because integrity is the foundation of every great scientist. My dear graduates, success is not measured only by the positions you hold or the awards you receive. It is measured by the positive difference you make in the lives of others through your knowledge, your work, and your character. Congratulations once again to all of you. I wish you future-filled health, happiness, meaningful achievements, and the courage to pursue excellence. Once again, I thank you and my best wishes to each one of you. Jai Hind.
Thank you very much, sir, for your inspiring words and for sharing your thoughts with us. We truly appreciate your gracious presence today. We shall now proceed to the most awaited part of today's program, the degree distribution ceremony. I invite Professor Dilip Kumar Chand to kindly come forward to read out the best thesis awardees and graduates.
Good afternoon all. It's my unique privilege to call upon the names of the graduates. First I will call the name of the awardees and I request Professor Ganesh Pandey to hand over the award along with Checker. Bhagyalakshmi and Krishna Iyengar Award donated by Mr. Sudhir Sitaram Krishna. This award recognizes the scholar with the best PhD work in the area of pollution abatement, and the award goes to Samir Kumar Naik. Professor KKB Kauman Pharma Award, donated by Kawan Pharma and Dr. Rajaraman Narti. This award recognizes the scholar with the best PhD thesis in organic chemistry. The award goes to Dr. Priyambada Prushti. She is not around, so I request Trisha Chakrabarti to take the award on behalf of Priyambada Prushti. Professor Ramamurthy Award, donated by Professor Jayaraman Sivaguru and Dr. Sirisa K. Kanumalle. This award recognizes the best PhD thesis in chemistry. The award goes to Ketaki Kar. one more award by the same name, Professor Ramamurthy Award, donated by Professor Jayaraman Sivaguru, Dr. Sirisa K. Kanumalle, and alumni and student of Professor Ramamurthy. This award recognizes the student with best MSc dissertations in chemistry, and the award goes to Ms. Anaga K.T. We have two institute merit prizes, both donated by IIT Madras. This award, this prize recognizes the student with best academic record in chemistry of our MSc program. The first prize goes to Ms. Fida Patkade Thodikael. Another institute merit prize by IIT Madras, the student with second best academic record in chemistry of our MSc program, and the prize goes to Abhinandan Dhar. Now I'll invite the awardee in the identical order to come over and propose their response. First to the Samir Kumar Naik.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. So, I congratulate all the fellow graduates. So, it is a great honor to be awarded with Bhagya Lakshmi Krishna Iyengar Award. So, before I tell something, I'll tell a small story. Without the guidance of Lord Krishna, Arjun could never be the Arjun which we know today. Similarly, this award is the result of the guidance and the support of my research supervisor, Professor Chaitanya Sarma Yamizala. I pay my deep gratitude to my professor, Chaitanya Sarma Yamizala, and I also pay the gratitude to all the professors, especially Professor G. Rangarao, all the technical staffs, my lab mates, my parents and family members. So finally, this award will motivate me to keep learning, keep asking questions and strive meaningful research. Thank you all. Jai Hind.
The response of Priyambada Prushti to be proposed by Tisha Chakravarti.
Good afternoon all. On behalf of Priyambada, I will convey her message. Respected dignitaries, all the faculty members and all proud parents present over here, a very good afternoon to all. First, I would like to congratulate all my fellow graduates for their sleepless nights and hard work being recognized today. It is a great honor for me to receive this award. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to my supervisor, Professor Jegan Mohan, for his constant support. I would like to thank all my TC members and coursework teachers for their valuable suggestions, and obviously my dear lab mates and friends. Without you, this journey would not have been easy. Thank you all for always standing beside me during my tough times. I thank the Department of Chemistry not only for the facilities but also for the positive environment it provides us. Last but not the least, my parents, my sisters, who are making me what I am today. Thank you.
Ketakekar.
Hello everyone, a very good afternoon to all. So I want to thank everybody who supported me, and it is a huge honor for me to receive this award, and I am sincerely grateful to the selection committee for this recognition. I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to my supervisor, Professor Sundar Gopal Ghosh, and all my colleagues, friends, family members, and obviously Department of Chemistry and IIT Madras for their unwavering support, help, guidance, and encouragement throughout this journey. So this award not reflects only my efforts, but also the contribution of everybody who was always there with me and believe in me. So I hope this will continue for the inspiration of everybody who are going to be graduate for the upcoming years. And thank you very much. And I also congratulate all my fellow graduates. Thank you.
Anaga Katie.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm really grateful and honored to receive this award in front of such a great gathering. In this auspicious occasion, first of all, I would like to thank my supervisor, Professor Venkata Krishnan, for his immense guidance and support. Without him, this will not be possible. Next, I would like to thank my co-guide, Rajeshwari Didi. She was more like a sister than a mentor for me. I have learned a lot of things from her. Thank you, Rajeshwari Didi. Next, I would like to thank my friends who have made this 2-year journey memorable and enjoyable. Without them, I may not have graduated with this much happiness. Next, I would like to thank my family members for their unconditional love and support. It cannot be replaced with anything else. And I would like to dedicate this award to my grandmother, who really wanted me to get into an IIT. But unfortunately, she left before my JAM results were out, so she never knew that I have got into an IIT. So I think she will be really proud right now. Thank you.
Ida Torikail.
Warm good afternoon to all. This is a moment of reflection for me. So when I look back to the past 2 years, I see countless people, their sacrifice, love, and effort that made me stand here today and receive this award. Firstly, I would like to thank IIT Madras and this Department of Chemistry for making me brave enough to dream bigger than what I had when I came here. To all my professors for sharing their knowledge and insights of life. To my friends for making IIT Madras a home for me and for all the fun and laughter we had. To my family, most importantly, for always being my side even when they were miles away. Even though not here, I can't help but mention my mentor, Mr. Ramshad, for he has seen all my struggles so far and supported me so well for both of these years. And to all of you here, if you ever feel like settling for anything less than your dream ever in your life, just ask yourself, why were you here in IIT Madras of all the places you could be? And that will fuel you to move forward. Thank you.
Abhinandan.
Good afternoon, everyone. It is a great honor to receive the Institute Merit Prize from the Department of Chemistry, IIT Madras. I feel truly happy to be standing here today. I would like to thank all of my professors, my friends, my family, my seniors, and all the technical staff for their constant guide and support. I am also grateful to IIT Madras for giving me this kind of wonderful opportunity. I believe this award will encourage me for keep learning and doing all my best in future. Thank you.
After this, we move on to distribution of degree to PhD graduates. I request Professor G. Shekhar to hand over the certificates to the graduates. I will call upon the names and please come accordingly. Suganya A. Srikanta Kumar Patra. Choti Nabin Kumar. Vinit Misra. Shubham Pal. Saundarya P. Aneka K. Rupansa. Mahanti Shankar Rao. Selvam R. Sujit Das. Suraj B.S. Amogavarsa R. Kini, Dilip Kumar Tiwari, Svetasi Acharya, Ashish Kumar, Shivankan Misra, Ananya Datta, Prabhu Kumar B, Suravi Misra, Mainak Koner, Swatilekha Mondal, Nityananda Vallabh, Sumit, Nemichand, Swati Panigrahe, Tanmaya Nayak, Harsha K. Sasidharan, Vigya Rani Das, Kaushik Patra, Vivek Yadav, Deepak Kumar Patel, Karunamoyi Mondal, After the PhD graduates, we have one MS graduate too, Sudhir. Now I'll call upon the MSc graduates, Aditya Babu, Aditya Saha, Advait Murali E, Ajanta Priyadarshini Sahu, Akhya P.V., Alakananda B.R., Amalek K.A., Amina Sirin Abdul Sattar, Animesh Banerjee, Anjana PM, Onkan Kamila, Anup Saha, Arko Bahadur, Arnab Basak, Aryan Shah, Asita Kolothum Thodi, Ashish Ahmed, Asno Farisa EK, Gaurav Gangbar, Kota Guru Muktika, Harichandana, Himadri Mittal, Jay Kumar J, Janvi Pathak, Joyita De, Kalyani Karkaria, Kalyani Sahu, Kirtana P.N., Kushi, Krishnapriya K.S., Lakshmipriya N.U., Milu Sahu, Mohammed Farkan, Naswa Amir C.K., Nabina D.R., Neeraj Kumar, Nishana Serin C.T., Nitya Gupta, Priyanka Mohanty, Punya Sudhir, Rajiv Roy, Rupam Dolai, Saikat Patra, Sayandeep Konar, Saun Sa Jakaria, Sia, Sophia Asim, Saugata Pal, Sri Lakshmi M.K., Subhajit Das, Subrata Sarkar, Subhajit Mandal, Shubham Kar, I offer my congratulations to all the awardee and the graduates. Thank you.
As a token of our gratitude and appreciation, I request our HOD, Professor G. Shegar, to present a memento to our respected chief guest. We have now come to the conclusion of today's formal proceedings. I request everyone to kindly rise for the national anthem, which will be followed by the official photographs.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा चञ्चल जलधितरङ्गा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशिष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मङ्गलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you. You may now be seated. With this, the Chemistry Department Degree Distribution Program comes to a close. Before we proceed for high tea, we will have the official group photographs in the following order. First, the faculty members with the dignitaries. Second, with the award winners. Third, with the PhD graduates. Fourth, with the MSc graduates. Fifth, with the staff members. Sixth, with the D3P volunteers. And seventh, a panoramic group photographs with all graduates. We shall begin with the faculty members. May I request all faculty members and our distinguished dignitaries to kindly assemble on the dais for the photograph.